you're carrying out your house, you'll be slow, right? Right, Dad?
Yep. Here.
Look at snail.
Can that help you a little bit?
Snails come. They're going.
Yeah.
My lollipop.
Yeah, why don't you drink that first? Dad's got some screws right here for you.
That? That's cat?
Yep. This is cat. Fat, nat, fat.
Mama said this was, that was cat. Okay. Now eating again.
Dan. You need to lay it down the other direction.
That.
Yep, that way. Alright, need to lay down the other way. Don't let it fall. Stand up. Don't let it stand up. Now, turn it around here and lay it down.
Mama, you're in the store. I read.
There you go, now lay it down.
Oh, give me some.
Don't drop it, lay it down.
Yay.
Okay. Now there's two screws right there in front of you.
So we already did
Right in front of you, there's two screws on the face of that board. Screw them in. Jan. Okay. Alright, now you need to quit for a minute. Go pick up your papers and put them back on the table and put a weight on them.
Needs to stay on the wood.
Straighten it up now. Oh, it bit into it. Hold it. You gotta hold it and push down. There you go. Pull the trigger. It's going. Pull your trigger. Don't change direct. Pull your trigger. Oh, there you go. Now hold it straight. You gotta hold it straight. Hold onto the drill. Pull the trigger. If you stand above it, you can put your body weight on it. That will help you push down harder. And it makes it easier. But when you try to be lazy and sit on your butt, it don't work so good. Straight up and down on the screw. It's got to be straight up and down with the screw or it ain't going to screw it in.
The same way?
Yeah, the drill bit's got to be straight with the screw. Remember I showed you that yesterday. Stand the drill up. It's got to be straight with it, buddy. Hold it. Hold it.
Hi, this is what I made. But let's stand up because what? Because of that. But this is what I made, an A.
It's an A.
But
Make sure it's straight. It ain't gonna. Is it straight? No, it ain't straight. It's popping. It'll be straight with the screw, buddy. Put it in the screw.
this one underneath. You put that.
Good job. Push down hard. Keep going. Not that way. Keep going, buddy. more time. It's not all the way in.
When it beats too loud, it means I'm pushing too hard.
It's got to be straight with screws. There you go. Push down hard. Push down hard. Nope, it's not straight. That's why she's going ding, ding, ding. All right, you got her, buddy. Good job.